Hi everyone. Today we're talking about a topic that affects a lot of people but often goes undiagnosed: small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO. This condition can have a big impact on our mental health and cognitive performance. However, as we have shown in previous videos about SIBO, there are ways to treat it and improve our overall well-being. As a quick reminder, SIBO is a condition in which bacteria in the small intestine grow in numbers that are too high. This overgrowth can cause a range of symptoms, including bloating, abdominal pain, diarrhea or constipation, and malnutrition. But not only that, SIBO can have a profound impact on our mental health. Studies have shown that people with SIBO are more likely to experience symptoms of depression and anxiety. The relationship between the gut and the brain is known as the gut-brain axis, and it's clear that the health of our gut has a significant influence on our mental well-being. The overgrowth of bacteria in the small intestine can disrupt the delicate balance of gut bacteria, leading to an increase in gut inflammation and the release of pro-inflammatory substances that can affect our mood and mental health. SIBO can also have a significant impact on our cognitive performance. Symptoms like brain fog, fatigue, and poor memory can be a result of malabsorption of nutrients caused by SIBO. This malabsorption can lead to deficiencies in essential nutrients like B vitamins, which play a crucial role in cognitive function and brain health. As a result, SIBO can leave us feeling mentally fatigued, making it difficult to focus and be productive in our daily lives. This can be especially concerning for those who need to perform mentally demanding tasks, like students, professionals, and athletes. The good news is that by treating SIBO and improving gut health, we can improve our cognitive performance and mental well-being. A low FODMAP diet, which eliminates certain types of carbohydrates that feed the overgrown bacteria, can be helpful. Antibiotics and herbal treatments may also be recommended by a healthcare professional. In addition, complementary treatments such as probiotics, prebiotics, and fermented foods can help rebalance the gut microbiome. Intermittent fasting and a gentle detox can also be beneficial in reducing symptoms and promoting gut health. It's important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment or making significant changes to your diet. They can help determine the best course of action for you and monitor your progress. By taking a holistic approach to treating SIBO, we can improve our gut health, mental well-being, and cognitive performance. If you are experiencing symptoms, it's important to see a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. By taking care of our gut health, we can improve our overall well-being and quality of life. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful in shedding light on the impact of SIBO on our mental health and cognitive performance. Remember to always listen to your body and seek professional help if you are experiencing any symptoms. Take care and see you in the next video.